Spherical mirrors. A spherical mirror is a small part cut from a hollow sphere of glass. Suppose one sphere of glass. Okay, in this, a small part we are cutting and taking. From that, if you see a small part, it is having that two surfaces. One is hollow surface and another one is bulged surface. So, if suppose hollow surface is inner side and bulged surface here, if you coat with silver, then this inner surface, which means we can call it as concave surface, act as a reflecting surface. Concave surface act as reflecting surface, and this one we can call it as concave mirror. Concave mirror. If suppose inner surface is coated with silver, then bulged surface act as reflecting surface. Then we can say this mirror is called convex surface. Convex mirror, because convex surface acting as reflecting surface, so that we can call it as convex mirror. Okay, so now some spherical terms we will discuss now. Suppose if you take concave mirror, outer bulged surface coated with silver, so inner surface acting as reflecting surface, so that we can call it as concave mirror. So first thing is pole. Pole, midpoint of the mirror. Midpoint of the mirror we can call it as the pole. Next, center of the curvature. Center of the curvature in the sense, suppose it is a sphere, if you complete the sphere, then how much it is having that center. Okay, so it's a center of the sphere of which the mirror is part is called center of the curvature. So that this is center of the curvature. And next one is radius. Radius in the sense, the distance between pole and center of curvature, we can call it as radius. The distance between pole and center of curvature, we can call it as radius. Next one is principal axis. Principal axis is the line joining the pole and center of curvature is called principal axis. Next, aperture. Aperture in the sense, the diameter. The diameter of enclosed circular portion of the curved mirror is called aperture. The diameter of the reflecting surface, we can call it as the aperture. Next, normal. Suppose if a incident ray is incidented on reflecting surface, then after it is reflected back, then we can say from point of incidence to the center of curvature, the line joining point of incidence to the center of curvature, we can call it as normal. Next, principal focus. It is a point on principal axis where the beam of light parallel to principal axis. Now this incident ray is parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it will passing through a point on principal axis. That point we can call it as principal focus. That point we can call it as principal focus. Next, focal length, the distance between pole and focus, we can call it as the focal length. If suppose the incident rays are close to principal axis, then those rays we can call it as paraxial rays. If incident rays are far away from the principal axis, then those rays we can call it as the marginal rays.